So guys, today I'm playing Minecraft.
Mikey, we're really doing a prison break. So please, everyone, help us out by following the channel and giving us a thumbs up.
Yes, please. Like and subscribe.
Now,
See you next time.
Let's go.
So, we need to escape from our jail cell first.
How?
Mikey, there's a chest here.
Let's look inside.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Oh, a book. And a gate 1 key.
And we found the key.
Let's read this book first. Let's see. It's been ages since I was thrown in here. Nowadays, not even my family will come and visit me.
Mama, ay ate, na-remember mo yung paa mo, nalagay accident yung paa mo dun sa ball? Na-remember mo, accident nalagay na yung paa mo nagpunta sa ball? Hindi yung nagpupo, kagod yun, tapos na-accident, napunta yung god, yung paa mo sa ball.
Hindi ko remember.
Nakalimutan mo na.
Di wala mang accident ako ginagawa. Ginasadya ko man yun.
Isadya mo god yung napunta mo, yung paa mo doon sa ball.